God. No. Okay. No. Hi. Hi there. I can't help you, sorry. Do you want something? Do you want some pizza? Maybe? No? Yeah. Yes, guys, good evening. How are we doing on this gorgeous night? I hope you're good, I hope you're well, I hope you're smiling. So, today we have another horror game, as per usual. And this one's called Momo, the Mother Bird, the finale. I think that's what it's called. I'm not going to give any context to this, really, because we're just going to jump straight into it and see what you think. Let's play the game. Momo, Mother Bird, final story. Let's go.
Breaking news. The plane carrying an unknown monster made an emergency landing. According to the information, one of the pilots picked up the phone and read the message, "Do not read SMS from an unfamiliar number." I believed it? What nonsense.
Okay. Well, it's in Russian, so we can't read that. Do we just go to sleep? Okay, let's just go straight to sleep straight away. Okay. Let's just go to sleep straight away. Oh, shit. The room's been absolutely trashed. What the hell?
What the hell happened here?
What? No, this music is horrible. Open? Not now. I need to take my phone. Where is my phone? Where is it? What the fuck?
Don't believe I existed. What?
This is giving me
Let's say
chills,
you like
guys.
this
Like,
nightmare.
really chills.
What the hell does this mean?
Oh, shit. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi there.
What the hell is going on
Oh,
here?
God.
Who the hell is in the closet?
The closet, okay. Oh, no, I want to do it. Oh, God. This is horrible. Hello? Oh, God. No. Okay. No. Hi. Hi there. I can't help you, sorry. Do you want something? Do you want some pizza? Maybe? No? Yeah, pizza? No? Okay. I've got some pizza in my room.
The bones don't seem to be broken.
Oh, shit.
What is this place?
What is it?
This is not our home.
No, it's not. No? Can I go back in there? No, I can't. No, I can't. Shit, what do I do? Can I sprint? Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, I died. Let's try again. Sorry about that, guys. So I can't go through there. Open. No. That's a trap. Where do I go? I need something to... What's this? A key. Right, I've got a key. I don't really need a flashlight at this moment in time. What's the note say?
It wasn't that hard.
What wasn't that hard? Oh, it's a secret door. Open. Let's go down the rope. Yep, let's go down. That thing is creepy as fuck.
What? What is this place? Prison?
It looks like it. Right, so we need to get into there.
Oh, great.
Door's
The
locked.
door's
I need to
locked.
find a key. What's in here? Another key. Brilliant. We've got a key.
The door is locked
Door
with
is
some
locked.
kind of unusual key.
Okay.
But I was able to catch her in a cage. We were sure that it was a good idea to transport her by plane. How wrong we were. She became angrier and more dangerous. She needs to be stopped.
Too right, she needs to be stopped.
I can't open this door.
Why would you even mess with that shit? Right, we're going in here. I actually thought someone was in here then. This is really effective. So
Ugh,
just...
stinks in here.
Yeah, yeah. Turning something.
Nothing happened.
Yeah. Nothing happened?
Maybe one more time.
Go again one more time.
It looks like something may have gone down the pipes.
Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't twist anything anymore.
No, let's not.
The bolts are installed firmly. I can't open it with my hands.
No, so I need to use this key to get something. Oh, I thought she was gonna jump at me then. This music is effective. I keep thinking someone's in here with me, in like my room. Right, so key. I imagine will fit. Yes. Ah!
Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation. It's so familiar to me. In any case, you won't get out. Goodbye. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Nope. 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 Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry, this is just intense. Proper intense. Oh shit. How do I get out of here? How do I get out? How do I get out? I need to get out urgently. No shit. I need a code. What's the code? So, 3 square.
Out of here.
1 triangle. 1 triangle. 2 circle. And the 1 was triangle. 3 was square. Yeah, it's done.
Oh, damn. Come on, damn.
Yes. Yes. Out. Didn't get me that time, did you? No. So we need to go back in there. Pick whatever this is up. Pry bar. Brilliant. Wake up and smell the ashes. What ashes? I shit myself then. Right. Pry bar in up to here. Yeah. Climb up. God, this is just gets to you quick, doesn't it? I keep thinking someone's in this room with me. The music's that good. Right. Pry bar on this. Yeah. Break through. Break. I don't really need the flashlight, do I now?
This place is locked for a reason.
Climb through.
There's clearly
yeah.
something here.
Climb through. Yeah, of course there is. We saw it. Momo. Creepy ass looking woman. Right.
I can't open this door.
No, we can't open the door. There's a note. Read the note. This creature has been through tormented me for several days. I have nothing to eat. Looks like this is the end. In vain, I got involved in this matter and agreed to transport it from the estate. Why would you even want to do that? Oh, okay. Nothing in there. So what do we need to do? Is there a key in here? Where do we go now? What do we do? Oh, a key. Right. Oh shit. What's happening? No. Please no. Just go away. Please. Hide. Yeah. Hide. I don't like this at all.
Oh, did she notice me?
I hope not. Please. Can't hide from me. Oh, get the fuck away. No.
That thing! How do I can't open this door.
What's this key for then? What's it for? What's the key for? Well, that was pointless. Right, so I've got a key.
I can't open this door.
Right. We need that key for something. For what, though? I can't pick it up.
I have no choice. I have to get back to the hallway.
Let's Go back to the hallway. No. No, 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 no. Please don't. Yeah. Just get out there. Get out. No. This is horrible. This is horrible. Oh.
Huh? Where did she go?
Yeah, where did she
Apparently
go?
It's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. I can't open this door.
Or is this for this door? Yeah, it's got to be.
It looks like some kind of old prison with a security room. But who the hell was being held here?
Okay. Okay. This is horrible. Yep. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not talking much. This is genuinely terrifying. Genuinely terrifying. Oh, you bastard. Camera 2. Come on. Open door. Right, okay. The door's open. Is there anything I need in here? Come on, get out.
Huh? She's going somewhere again?
Let's just go. Let's just get out of here.
What kind of game are you playing?
Yeah. Oh shit, I need the pry bar. I have to get back up there. Every time I go up there, I think she's going to just jump at me. I keep looking behind me because I keep thinking someone's here. Right, need to climb under here, get to that pry bar. Why I can't just open that door, I don't know. Oh, this music is horrendous. Pick up the pry bar, pick it up. Yeah. Right, you've texted me, yep.
Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your...
Yep, we're not even bothering. No, we're not even going there. No, I don't even want to know. Don't want to know, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your fear.
Yep, that's what it said. That's exactly what it said, mate, yep. Great English. Nah, I've got goosebumps. My hair. Every time. This is so effective. Like, so effective.
Oh, you're so...
Yeah, we know. Let's get the... No, go away, please, bugger off.
Damn, the tire iron's broken.
Run. Yeah, run. That's dead end. Ah! You've got to get out of this floor, idiot. She's coming. Break these bolts. Break them. I've got to break them.
Damn, the tire iron's broken.
Go. Go forward. Nope. Get out of there, get out. Go. Just run. Get the fuck out of there. And we're out. I don't know how I did that first time. I do not know how I did that first time. That's crazy. Shit. Well, second time. No idea how I did it. Turn it. Get her out there. No, keep her in there, I mean. Get her out there. Keep the fucking freaky thing in there. To be continued. So there you have it, guys. That was Momo, the final story, Motherbird, whatever it was called. Shit, that scared me. Just straight off the bat, it gave me chills. I don't even know how to explain it. The music was so effective. But I must apologise if the audio is a bit rubbish, because the audio of the game was so loud. Like, straight away, I had to turn the headset down because it was so loud in your face. I liked it. I really, really liked it. That's free on Steam. Give it a go. As always, anything you can do to help this channel, like, subscribe, share, view, whatever you can do helps me a lot, and it's very, very much appreciated. But that's it for tonight. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.